Good day, everyone. My name is Keisha Lloyd Barrera Contreras, Activity Title Video Instructor Jose Wilson Castro Saldaña, Technology in Software Analysis and Development, File 2721-46-7. Today, I will explain the impact of technology and innovative tools on software development. With time, new systems have been implemented with which we had created innovative projects, and productivity links have also been created which people having a very change with respect to the way of working, sharing documents and performing complex tasks to solve problems that requires revolutionary tools that make process more dynamic and effective. Revolutionary products. In this way, we have systems and platforms that have revolutionized the software development industry. Database management systems. These systems have changed the way data is stored, managed, and retrieved in a structured way, improving the productivity in companies. For example, Oracle Database, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Web development frameworks. These frameworks have revolutionized the way web applications are developed. They provide tools and libraries that allow developers to create interactive and dynamic user interface in more creative and maintainable ways. For example, React, Angular, Vue.js. Evolutionary products. In history, there have been many products, new projects, and too many inventions that have developed and experienced gradual and progressive improvements over time. Without changing their fundamental concept, these improvements may include software updates, hardware improvements, performance optimizations, etc. As in the world of technology, there are elementals that are essential to be able to carry out their construction of systems and their expansion, such as the internet. There are also systems that are fundamental for development, such as operation systems. The operation systems have regular updates that introduce performance improvements, bug fixes, new features, and support for outdated hardware without changing their basic operation. For example, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Integrated Development Environments, or IDE. IDEs receive regular updates that introduce new features, improvements in the user interface, support for new programming language, more advanced debugging tools, among others, without changing their main purpose of facilitating development of software. Cultural variation in software development companies. The functions done by a programmer may vary depending on cultural and economic differences. For example, Colombia, collaboration and teamwork are highly valued. Interpersonal relationships and the ability to work well with others are important. United States, the innovation and creativity. Developers often have more freedom to experiment and come up with new ideas. Companies often encourage innovation and take risks. In Japan, quality and perfection. Developers tend to focus on producing high quality, bug free software, often at the expense of delivery speed. In China, speed and scalability. Developers often work on very large projects with light time, focusing on development speed. Aspects that can improve it in software development. Artificial intelligence. Many people think that artificial intelligence is going to end the world or a large part of the world. What they do not know is that you have to know how to use AI for your well-being. That is why it was created to provide help or support that improves your knowledge. Integration AI in software development helps programmers focus on more creativity and strategic tasks. In providing innovation and user satisfactions, communication. The communication is very important in software development since the productivity and progress that require systems must have depends on it. Communication between teams. Clear and effective communication between the different development teams, such as developers, testers, designers, and stakeholders. Documentation. Documenting is a fundamental part of system development, although it's boring. It explains the progress of the project and instructor. Having better data management, documentation must be kept clear, updated, and organized so that the developers can understand and work with the code efficiently. Conclusions. Technology and innovative tools are transforming software development. It's important to understand the difference between evolutionary and revolutionary products. The ways in which a programmer develops can vary significantly by culture. The developers must be prepared to adapt to changing technologies and learn new skills to remain competitive. Thank you for your attention.